Here's your extension for this area lesson, just to prove to you that the area of a shape isn't always just the length times the width. That's just for squares and rectangles. How about the area of a right-angled triangle? Look, the width of this rectangle is 3 centimeters and the length is 5 centimeters. The area of the whole rectangle is going to be what? Yeah, it's going to be 15 centimeters squared. Let's write that in. The area equals 15 centimeters squared. I can't do it. I'll have to do a big 2 here and shrink it down to show you a little squared. Shrink it there. There you go. So that's the area, but it's the area of the rectangle. Well, how about the area of the right angle triangle? What do I need to do? Look, if I take it apart, what does the area of that right angle triangle look like? Look at this one at the bottom. Can you see that we've got 2 right angle triangles? They make up the rectangle. So if the whole area of the rectangle is that, what's the area of that other rectangle of the triangle? Well, the area is half, isn't it? Because you've split your rectangle into 2 halves now. So the area of that triangle is half of the area of the rectangle. So that area is going to be half of 15 centimeters squared. And half of 15 is 7.5 centimeters. Well, let's drag that out a little bit. There we go. And I need to make that squared again. So let's just pop that there and clone it. So my area of this triangle is 7.5 centimeters squared. It's half the area of the rectangle. And that's a little bit of extra learning I want you to do today. For those of you that are pushing yourselves, the area of any right angle triangle is half times the length and the width. Let's have a look at this. I need to make my screen bigger, don't I? This is summarizing what I've just taught you. The area of any right angle triangle is half of the length times the width. Look at this rectangle here. This is 4 centimeters wide and 5 centimeters long. 4 5s are 20. So the area of the rectangle is 20 centimeters squared. The area of any of the right angle triangles, you put two 10s together, you're going to get 20. It's going to be half of 20, isn't it? So the area of a right angle triangle is half times the length times the width. We can substitute our numbers in. The area equals that half. I have to do a little fancy trick to do the half. I'll finish it off in a minute. Times the 5 times the 4. I'm just going to put a 2 here. So you can see it's the half of 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and half of 20 is 10. So the area of any right angle triangle is half the length times the width. Let's get rid of one of those because we're showing the area of a right angle triangle. So the questions you might get will be just showing you a right angle triangle. All you need to do is multiply the length by the width and halve it. And you've learnt a new formula. And you've learned how to calculate the area of another shape, just to prove to you that the area of shapes isn't always just the length times the width. In this case, it's the half the length times the width because we're dealing with right angle triangles. Okay, go and have a go of the sheet.